Welcome, listeners, to today's episode. Today, we're going to dive into some everyday phrases you can use right away, and I'll share a quick tip on avoiding a common grammar mistake that many learners struggle with.
That's right. We're here to guide you through today's episode. Whether you're just starting out or looking to brush up on your skills, this podcast is for you.
Absolutely. Let's start with some common phrases that you can use in daily conversations. These phrases are great because they're versatile and can be used in various situations. Here are a few examples.
The first one is, how's it going?
This is a casual way to ask someone how they are. You can use it with friends, colleagues, or even acquaintances. For example, if you see a coworker in the morning, you might say, "Hey, how's it going?"
Our second phrase is, can you help me with this?
This phrase is useful when you need assistance with something. It's polite and direct. For instance, you might ask a friend, "Can you help me with this project?"
The next one is, what do you think about?
This phrase is useful when you want someone's opinion on a topic. It's great to start a discussion. For example, "What do you think of the new movie that just came out?"
Interesting. The next one is, I'm just browsing, thanks.
You can use this phrase when you're shopping and not ready to buy. This phrase is perfect. It politely lets the salesperson know that you're just looking around.
And the last one is, could you repeat that, please?
If you didn't catch what someone said, this is a polite way to ask them to say it again. For example, in a noisy environment, you might say, "Sorry, could you repeat that, please?"
These phrases are really handy in everyday situations, so try to incorporate them into your conversations this week.
Now, let's move on to our quick grammar tip of the day. Today, we'll talk about the difference between much and many. This is a common mistake, but it's easy to fix once you understand the rule. Much is used with uncountable nouns, things you can't count individually, like water, time, or money. For example, you might ask, "How much water do you drink every day?" Many is used with countable nouns, things you can count, like books, friends, or apples. For instance, "How many books do you have in your library?" To remember the difference, think about whether you can count the items individually. If yes, use many. If no, use much. Simple, right?
Now, it's your turn. Let's practice the phrases and grammar tips we just covered. I'll say each phrase slowly, and I want you to repeat after me. Ready? Here we go. Can you help me with this? Great! Now try it in a full question. Can you help me with this, please? Excellent! Now, think of your own sentence using one of the phrases or grammar tips. For example, can you help me with this assignment, please? Another example could be, what do you think about trying that new Italian restaurant downtown? Perfect! Keep practicing, and soon these phrases will feel natural to you.
Today, we covered some great everyday phrases like, "How's it going?" and learned when to use much versus many. Remember, the key to learning English is practice, so try using these phrases and tips as often as you can.
Next time, we'll explore how to make small talk in English, perfect for those casual conversations at work or with new friends. You won't want to miss it. But now, that's all for today's lesson. We hope you found these tips helpful. Take the time to make them count.
And the more you practice, the easier it gets. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there.
Keep up the good work. Incorporate these phrases into your conversations and watch your language skills improve.
Thanks for listening today, and if you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. You're doing great. Bye, everyone.